Frosta here, with step 8 for having a fantastic winter. There is one truth, one universal cosmic constant that connects all beings across the universe. My ancestors called it the food of the ancients, while the Icelandic call it rollmice, and the French crème glacée, but you may know it as ice cream. Snow cones are for amateurs. Making ice cream is by far one of my favorite and seemingly most random superpowers. I think it was passed down from the ancients as a way to provide food for the snow people during famines, but anyway, since you don't have magic, and probably even fewer of you have the proper machinery to make ice cream, I'm going to teach you a super simple way with just 3 ingredients and a world of possibilities. To the kitchen. All you need for basic vanilla is a 14-ounce can of chilled sweetened condensed milk, a pint of heavy whipping cream, and pure vanilla extract. But today we're going to spice things up, and we are going to make one of my kingdom's favorite flavors, which is mint cookies and cream. So we are going to swap out the vanilla for peppermint extract and add some crushed, I believe you call them Oreo bits. So we're gonna add some of those. Let's get started. Pour the sweetened condensed milk into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract to the sweetened condensed milk and mix in thoroughly. If I was using vanilla, I would also use 2 teaspoons to 4 teaspoons. It just depends on how potent you like your flavors. With peppermint, it's very potent, so if you'd like to set your mouth on ice fire, add as much as you want. We are going to add just a hint of color. 2 drops of green food coloring and 1 drop of blue. I had blue mint ice cream in Iceland, and it was quite delicious and quite close to the color of the glaciers. So mix that in with the sweetened condensed milk before mixing it in with the whipped cream. Actually, I added 2 drops of blue food coloring with the 2 drops of green, just to give it a nice sort of turquoise color. Beat the heavy whipping cream with a handheld mixer until you get stiff peaks. After about 6 minutes beating on high, you get nice stiff whipped cream. Mix half of the sweetened condensed milk mixture in with the whipped cream. You want to try not to lose air in the whipped cream. Then mix in the final half. When it's mixed, add in the cookie bits. Cover your loaf pan with saran wrap and make sure that it's sealed all around the edges and that it touches the top of the ice cream. And now your ice cream is ready to go into the freezer and chill for 3 to 5 hours or overnight to be safe. Ice cream? You heard me say ice cream from light years away? Maybe. Word travels fast. Look, I told you, this is a magic-free recipe. It's gonna take hours. Why don't you go heal some people? I'm hungry. I had to give my lunch to starving villagers. Look, every time I use my magic here, something goes haywire, okay? I feel like Madame Raz. Fine. Just a little couldn't hurt. Frosta! Frosta! It's snowing! Oh, for sleep's sake. Ice cream's ready. So you really know everyone's favorite flavors? Glimmer. Low-fat ice cream rolled in edible glitter. Queen Angela. Whisperberry with angel food cake chunks. Bo. Vanilla. Just vanilla. So what's He-Man's favorite flavor? You know he doesn't kiss and tell. Unbelievable. When it snows, Frosta knows. Yeah, Skeletor's been asking me to make poison berry with squid ink sauce. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.